How to activate Frontier Airlines Mastercard. Hello everybody, in today's quick tutorial, we're going to see how you can easily activate your Frontier Airlines Mastercard. In order to do that, you first have to open up your web browser and simply go ahead and search for Frontier Airlines Mastercard. Log in, hit enter, and you'll see Frontier Airlines World Mastercard that you can apply for today. This is by Barclays. So once you are here, click on the login button at the top right corner. And here you can just enter your username and then your password. And if you want the browser to remember it, click on the remember username and click on login. If you forgot your password, click right here to recover it. And once you log in, you'll find a list of your credit cards connected to your Barclays account. You'll find your Frontier Airlines card there as well. Once you click on it, you'll have an option to activate it. And that's about it. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.